फोन मेरी लाइफलाइन है. इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ. मैं फोन के बिना अब कैसे सरवाइव करूंगी?
अबे क्या फोन लगा रखा है यार. आज के जेनजीज ना zombies की तरह हो गए हैं.
क्या हम लोग रियलाइज कर पा रहे हैं ये दैट वी आर रियली इन दिस ट्रैप. सुसाइडल थॉट्स आर कमिंग.
The digital media is controlling us. How do we break this pattern?
We are just following numbers and we are just feeling we have so big friendship group, and we are still struggling with this loneliness, and suicidal thoughts are coming. We are just feeling depressed and other kind of things.
Honestly, I think like marketing is to be blamed in this scenario, because if we have these numbers, we believe that this can be a side hustle. Now, how many people you must have met that they want to grow their Instagram number so that they can make an additional source of income, right? Because if you are not doing more than one job today, it's frowned upon almost.
Yeah.
Right? Like you can't be living life doing one job. Like if you don't do it, then either you're not as productive as the others.
It's almost impossible.
It's almost impossible to survive also.
Yeah.
The economy is only such at this point. So now everybody's side hustle has become some form of Instagram. On Instagram, I'll sell my achar, or on Instagram, I'll sell my paintings, or on Instagram, I'll become an influencer, or on Instagram, I'll become a mental health coach, or on Instagram, I'll become a podcaster. Everyone wants to do something, and the most free and open platform is Instagram.
Yeah.
So the moment you start building followers on that, it elevates your sense of self-worth. Now, when it elevates your sense of self-worth, you confuse that with real friendship. You're not able to transform that from like your digital to non-digital life. And then when you can't do it, you feel very lonely. So it comes back down to loneliness.
So Aditi, tell us, because I'm getting a little scared because of this, that this thing is imposed and we are not even realizing.
Yeah.
Things are getting so deep. We are feeling so depressed that we don't have a choice. And this sounds like we will never be able to come out of it. Is it something you're facing with your...
Yeah, I face it with my clients. I face it myself. Sometimes even I'm just like, what am I doing? It's been 2 hours and I'm on my reels.
So...
It is scary.
Yeah, it is. And I'm afraid that, is there a solution?
See, there are many solutions about this. Now, it also depends on like which age group, right? Maybe like the older age group, like the 50 plus, maybe they are also like more on WhatsApp. You know, they're like on the WhatsApp messages, on the WhatsApp groups. They want to stay updated to all the forwards that they have received, right? So WhatsApp makes them feel connected to a specific person. Could be 5 people in a group. It could be like a 10-person kitty, or it'll be like, one-on-one. So WhatsApp feels very, very personal for some reason. Instagram Reels feel like you just want to stay updated. So now it also depends which generation are we looking at, but everyone's facing the same thing. The digital media is controlling us. So firstly, it is very scary. Secondly, everyone is going through it. Like, how do we break this pattern? Is understanding what you get out of it. So if I am looking at Instagram and I'm getting knowledge out of it, can I find a different sense of getting knowledge? So for me, sometimes I read a presentation or I will read a thesis. So I'm like, I'm getting some kind of knowledge out of it. Now for an extrovert, for example, is like, I want to go out in real life to a real party and a real like get together and get some knowledge out of it. Say for you, like you are very curious as a person. So you are actually doing this. We are doing a podcast in real life. Our conversation is also going to be consumed digitally.
It is. Yeah.
It is going to be consumed digitally, right? So for those people who like to hear knowledge, go for like, you know, an actual event where they talk about these things. So it's about finding your hobby out of this.